Bonsoir Cathy, donc nous sommes le dimanche 15 mars 2020. Il est actuellement 10h22 ou 22h22 ici à Mexico. C'est la leçon 15 sur 33, là j'ai un petit doute, non, c'est la leçon 15. Est-ce que tu as les cheveux blancs? Do you have your hair completely white? That's what it means. It's like, do you have the hair white? Or white hair. It doesn't mean some, it's just completely. Okay. Est-ce que tu as des cheveux blancs? Do you have some white hair? Okay, so here it's like white hair. Logically. Je n'ai pas les cheveux blancs. My hair is not white. So I don't have white hair, in a sense. J'ai des cheveux gris. I have some gray hair. Or j'ai les cheveux gris. It's like my hair is completely gray. J'ai quelques cheveux gris. I have a few gray hair. Okay, so just be careful between les. Des is absolutely some. Les is complete. People, les gens. Les gens n'aiment pas les cheveux blonds. So we try to have a very long sentence. So first we have the basic sentence. Les gens n'aiment pas les cheveux blonds. People don't like blonde hair. But that was incomplete. This is not what we wanted to say. Les gens à Dubaï n'aiment pas les cheveux blonds. People in Dubai don't like blonde hair. Les gens à Dubaï n'aiment pas les Asiatiques avec les cheveux blonds. People in Dubai don't like Asians with blonde hair. Les cheveux châtains, this is very common in Europe, so light brown hair. Okay. Est-ce que tu as les cheveux bruns? Do you have brown hair? Est-ce que tu as les cheveux noirs ou les cheveux bruns? Do you have black or brown hair? J'ai les cheveux bruns. I have brown hair. Le coiffeur is a hairdresser. We can also say le styliste, the stylist. To not confuse with fashion designer or fashion stylist. We say a styliste is about fashion in French. So the hairdresser, that's it. Le coiffeur. Les cheveux roux, red hair. Les cheveux auburn, brown with red reflections. Les cheveux bouclés, curly hair. Je n'ai pas les cheveux bouclés, I don't have curly hair. Les cheveux courts, short hair. Les cheveux longs, long hair. Mi-long, mid-long. Les cheveux raides, straight hair. Porter is to carry or to wear. Je porte des livres, that means I carry books. Porter une bague is to wear a ring. Est-ce que tu portes des bagues? Do you wear rings? Est-ce que tu portes une bague? Do you wear a ring or a ring? Je ne porte pas de bague. I don't wear any rings. It's like I don't wear no rings. Double negation. Moi non plus, me neither. Je porte des bagues. I wear rings. Me too. Moi aussi. Est-ce que tu aimes porter des bandeaux? Do you like wearing headbands? Un bandeau, a headband. Des bandeaux. So the plural here. Every time you see a word ending in EAU or AU and you want the plural form, you're going to just add an X. So, des bandeaux, headbands. Est-ce que tu portes des boucles d'oreilles? Earrings. Do you like wearing earrings? Oui, je porte des boucles d'oreilles. Je ne porte pas de boucles d'oreilles. Est-ce que les femmes à Dubaï portent beaucoup de boucles d'oreilles? Do women in Dubai wear a lot of earrings? Parfois, sometimes. Est-ce que tu aimes porter des? Est-ce que tu aimes les? Est-ce que tu portes des? So we worked on these three different questions here. Do you like wearing? Do you like? And do you wear? An obligation is like something mandatory. Okay, so obligation. So obligé is to force someone. So you may also use like to have to, must. So est-ce que tu es obligé de porter du maquillage au travail? It's like, do you have, are you forced to, or do you have to wear makeup at work? Est-ce que tu portes une montre? Do you wear a watch? So not the old-fashioned watches, but iWatch, etc. Un porte-monnaie, a coin purse is like a small purse for the coins. So money that way, it doesn't mean money, but it's more like change, coins. C'est surprenant, it's surprising. Un sac à main, a hand purse. Est-ce que tu aimes les sacs à main très chers? Do you like very expensive hand purses? I should have added an S here. Okay. C'est pratique, it's practical. Un bonnet, winter hat. Toque, in Canada they say that. Un pantalon à carreaux, it's a plaid. So pantalon is a pants. The pants and plaid pants, I guess. Pantalon écossais is a tartan, you know, the large square, gray, green, and a bit of dark red and black. The Scottish style. Pantalon à pois, you have dots. Une robe, a dress. Une chemise, a shirt. A t-shirt is a t-shirt. Huh? So we can add whatever noun we want next to these different styles. So une chemise écossaise, féminine form. Une chemise imprimée, une chemise à pois, une chemise à rayures, une chemise unie. So I put the files we used today. Blanc, blond, brun, gris, noir, roux. We add an S, les cheveux blancs with an S, les cheveux blonds with an S, les cheveux bruns with an S, noir with an S, the rest doesn't change. Un afro, des cheveux bouclés, des cheveux courts, des cheveux frisés. It's not even bouclé, we should have said ondulé. O-N-D-U-L-E with an accent and S. Ondulé is wavy. Des cheveux longs, long. Des cheveux raides, straight. Des couettes, so it's like ponytails on each side. Un crâne chauve, un crâne is a skull, hein? So it's like a bald, baldy. Une queue de cheval, ponytail. Une tête rasée, shaved. Head, une tresse, braid, des tresses rasta, we say dreadlocks as well in French. Next, une bague, un bandeau, des boucles d'oreilles, un bracelet, une casquette, it's a cap, une ceinture, belt, un collier, necklace, une cravate, a tie, un foulard, a scarf, des lunettes, glasses, des lunettes de soleil, des fagots de deux, des lunettes de soleil, it's like shades or sunglasses. Du maquillage, ici du et some, it's masculine singular, some makeup. Une montre, a watch. Un parapluie, an umbrella. Un porte-clés, a keychain. Un portefeuille is wallet. Un sac à dos, a backpack. Un sac à main, a purse. Un sac de plage, the beach bag, I guess. Une toque, we don't even say that in French, it's more like un bonnet. It's a winter hat. À carreaux, écossais, les motifs, vous sens the patterns. Imprimé, à pois, à rayures, unis. Des bottes, des escarpins, sont the high heels. This is wrong, the song not the espadrille, it's wrong here. I showed you what kind of shoes. Des pantoufles, slippers, des sandales, sandals, des souliers. It's rare to say that now. It's more like des mocassins. Mocassin is M-O-C-A-S-S-I-N-S. Des mocassins. It's like city shoes. Well, you have your video, so I don't have to do that tomorrow. You know, I took extra time tonight to finish all my recordings. Well, I didn't finish all my recordings, but, you know, I try to get ahead. Anyway, you have a nice week. You let me know about next Sunday. Okay, you take care, stay safe.